What's a stem changing verb? We're going to show you what it is using the example of querer. Querer means to want. The verb querer is a stem changing verb. Stem changing verb means that the spelling in the stem changes. For the verb querer, the E in the stem changes into IE. However, the stem does not change in the nosotros form or in the vosotros form. The verb querer in present tense have regular ER verbs endings. This is how the verb querer looks when it's conjugated in the present tense. Quiero, I want. Quieres, you want. Quiere, he, she, or usted wants. Queremos, we want. Queréis, you all want. And quieren, they want, or also you all want. In red, we have highlighted the stem change where the letter E of the stem changes into IE. Take a minute to notice how it works. Notice that in the vosotros and nosotros form, there's no stem change. Stem changing verbs are also known as the boot verbs. The reason why is because we can put inside the boot the forms in which the stem change occurs, leaving out the forms in which the stem change does not occur. For example, the we form and the vosotros form can be left out of the boot. In other words, we give them the boot because they didn't change. There are 4 types of stem changing verbs. One in which the O changes into UE, like in the verb poder. Another where the E changes into an I, like in the verb pedir. The case in which the E changes into IE, like in the verb querer, and the U changes into UE, like in the verb jugar. Now look at the examples of stem changing verbs already conjugated. Poder, jugar, pedir, and pensar. Notice the stem change, the spell change, in all forms except in the we and vosotros form, and notice how the ending stays the same as any regular verb. Stem changing verbs. That's what they look like. Now let's see if you understand the concept. Try and fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb querer. Don't forget, the first thing you do is identify the subject. For example, in the first sentence, the subject is yo. That means I. The correct form in that specific example will be quiero, because quiero is the yo form of the verb querer. So the correct answer is yo quiero leer un libro. Now you try the rest.